am Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I'm catching up with Jim Warren, VP of Exact Mixing at Reading Bakery Systems and BEMA's 2023 Board Chairman. We are catching up at the 2023 BEMA Convention. Hi, Jim. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, Joanie. Thanks for inviting me to spend time with you.
So congratulations on your year as board chair, and congratulations on this amazing convention in Bluffton, South Carolina.
Thank you. We're so glad you're here.
So I'm curious, you have had a great year as chair. What do you think are some of the biggest issues and trends that have impacted BEMA members?
Yeah, Joanie, I don't think there's any question. Finally, we're coming out of the whole COVID epidemic. Really, this year was the first year. We're so excited because we saw fantastic attendance at IBIE, at the Interpack in Germany. There were a lot of people there. So I do feel like the industry is rebounding. And now in the fall will be the first Nexus. We're very excited about that. It'll be a chance for the industry to come together in yet another way. So it's been almost a rebirth, I would say.
I think that's a great word for it. And I know that this convention, there is huge attendance. And you're right, we're kind of coming out on the other side of COVID and things are starting to look a little bit more like normal. Do you think that there's an energy coming out of convention that's leading into Nexus in the fall?
Yeah, Joanie, I think there's absolutely an energy. I think people are focused on two things. One thing they're focused on is they want to recover. They want to feel comfortable that things are normal again. But things will never be like they were, but they'll be better. People are excited. They're moving forward. They appreciate the opportunity to come together as an industry to grow their business. I just think people have a greater appreciation for the opportunities that the baking industry brings them.
I couldn't agree with you more. So I'm just going to ask you one last question. If you had one, hope for the year ahead for the baking industry, what would it be? What would be your wish for the year ahead?
There's no question. The bakery industry is a wonderful place to work, a wonderful place. I've spent my entire career here. It's fantastic. And, I would just hope that everybody would experience the joys and the passion and the excitement that I have in my career. It's a wonderful opportunity, and I just wish the best for the industry and for everyone in it.
Jim, thank you so much for taking time to talk to me, but also thank you for all you've done to serve BEMA and to serve the industry. Congratulations on a great, successful year as chair.
Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it.